Good morning and welcome to another adventure with Boots on the Trail. Of course, I am Boots and we are back exploring in the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. This time on the North Carolina side near Cherokee. Today we will be hiking in one of the most beautiful and secluded areas of the park. Our route today will begin on the Hyatt Ridge Trail, connecting with the Enloe Creek Trail, and then on to Chasteen Creek and the Smokemont Loop trails. This should be about a 14-mile day for us, and we should pass a few really nice waterfalls along the journey. We do have plans for a little bit of off-trail exploring for one of the falls, and of course, hike off-trail at your own risk. With me today is my old buddy Steps.
Did you just call me old?
Hey, if the shoe fits, pal. I am really looking forward to today's hike. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you up the trail. right, guys, we are finishing up the last little bit of our hike today, just here on the end of Smokemont Loop Trail. And it's been a pretty long day. We've had a bit of rain, seen some great waterfalls, had some climbs. Steps, how you feeling over there?
Tired, but good.
Tired, but good. That's a pretty fair assessment. We do thank you for joining us. We hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you up the trail. Happy hiking.